Students no longer have to be intimidated by algebra. Today, a new educational tool called Hands-On Equations is making the subject fun and easier to learn. The innovative teaching system is designed to help students as early as the third grade easily understand algebraic equations using a physical and visual model.
Instead of working with variables and constants, and everything is visual in front of you and you can instantly understand the difference.
Almost like game pieces, pawns and the number cubes, and they're transitioning an abstract equation into something that is very concrete and very familiar to them.
Thanks to the Hands-On Equations educational tool, students as early as the third grade are well on their way to building a solid mathematics education while having lots of fun. For more information about Hands-On Equations, visit Borenson.com. Making algebra child's play.